Hello everyone, I hope you guys are all doing very well. So in this video, I will show you guys how you guys can make $50 every day by trading on Deriv with this new strategy. So today's strategy is we will open the 75 index and we will open rise and fall. And over here, as you guys can see, we have $100 in our trading account and duration is going to be 5 ticks and the first stake is going to be of $10. And what we will do, we will open the 3 minutes candles. As you can see, I've already opened it, and as you can see, the market is going up, so we will take the trade upwards. We have to wait for either number 8 or 9 at the end. This is the strategy, and we will take the trade upwards. Wherever the trend is going, we will take the trade accordingly. 8, and we're gonna take the trade upwards. We have won the first trade. Now we will add the profit. So the second trade is going to be 19.53. We have to wait for number 8 or 9 and we will take the trade. Number 8, and we're gonna take the trade. First one is up, second one is up, third one is up, fourth one is up, and we have won the trade. So now we will once again add the profit. It's going to be $38.15. Number 8, I'm gonna take the trade. Okay, we have lost this one, but we will recover it right away. We have lost $38.15. We will go with $42, which will give us the return of $40. We have to wait for number 8 or 9ish, and we will take the trade upwards. Number 7, 6, 0, 1, 3, 8. I'm gonna take the trade. First one is up, second one is down. Alright, perfect. So as you can see, we have just made $30. $20 are left. We're gonna go with $22. And 9, I'm gonna take the trade up. We have lost this one, but it's okay. We'll recover it right away. We'll go with $45. We had to wait for number 8 or 9. There's the 8. I'm gonna take the trade upwards. Okay, so market just took a reversal and now the market is going down. Now I'm going to go all in with the remaining amount, which is $63, but again I have to see. Okay, I'm gonna take the trade downwards. Alright, we have won this one. Now we will go with $35, and this time we will take the trade. We'll buy on the upside. Let me just see the market. Number 5, 4, 9. I'm gonna take the trade downwards because the market is going down now. That's perfect. So as you guys can see here, we have made our $50. Basically, it's $56.42 that we have made. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and if you guys have any question, do let me know in the comments and I will answer it. Thank you for watching.